Hello दोस्तों, today I will show you how to install Angular in your machine. So the basic requirement is the environment should be Node environment. You know what is Node? Node is a runtime environment, right? So that is must needed, and I hope you know that how to install Node. To check the Node version, you can check go to the command prompt and type node -v, so it will give you that node version along with that package manager version also. npm means node package manager, and then you can install the same command by command prompt. Visit the Angular website document side and copy that Angular CLI command there, and you can install it. And while you install, make sure you need to install it globally. You can see here, like, to install Angular CLI, you can open the terminal and run the command npm install -g means global and @Angular CLI. This command you need to run your command prompt. You can install using the command prompt, or you can use the git bash. There you can run this command also. Then as the question is how to install Angular, then you can install Angular and then you can start the project. The third steps like run Angular CLI command as it is mentioned here. Then you can start the Angular project or setup. You can start the Angular project. You can copy it from that Angular setup from GitHub, any open or open repository, or you can using the command line also, like npm. Sorry. Yeah. Once you run this Angular npm install -g Angular CLI, how do you see that your Angular is already installed or not? So for that you need to again run like ng Angular means Angular ng minus version. So this will give you that installed version on your machine. Then you want to start your Angular project. So go to your directory where you want to set up your source of your Angular project. Then in the command you can write like ng new your project name. Then you can see here, like, on window you might need to set the execution policy to allow the execution power on PowerShell script. To create new projects, you can run the command ng new the project name. To verify the installed version on Angular CLI, you can run the command ng -version -version. And to run the Angular application, you can run the command ng solve. Once you start run the command ng new your project name, then your project will be installed. Basic setup will be installed. To run that setup, you can run this command like ng solve open. So your setup will be open the browser, and in that address bar you can type like http localhost 4200 to see the Angular application. That's all. Thank you.